Good morning, everybody. I got something special today. Today I'm heading up to Harley Davidson in Baltimore. I'm going to be one of the first people to ride a Livewire. Having a ride along, and I'm kind of anxious to see what this electric motorcycle is all about. So I'm headed up, saddling up, and gonna head and drive. I do have a little plan today. My goal today is to see if I can race a Livewire with my Softail here. I got a 2018 lowrider. I've done a stage 3 kit to it, dynoed at the wheel at 111 horse and 124 pounds of torque. So she'll get up and hold her own. I kind of want to see what it will do against a Livewire. Livewire is supposed to do 0 to 60 in 3 seconds. Well, that's probably a little bit quicker than this guy, but I just kind of want to see, maybe she'll hold her own, see what kind of power delivery, and yeah, we'll see how the Livewire handles. So come along with me, and well, let's enjoy our Harley Davidsons. All right, I made it to the Livewire event. Looks pretty cool. I'm gonna get a little video of everything, and hopefully go for a ride here in a bit. That looks sick and black. Look at these guys. Boom. The Livewires. The Livewire. Oh, that black looks sick. Alright, there's the Livewire. Look at that thing. Oh, battery, motor, Brembos, upside down forks, adjustable suspension all the way around. That thing is sick. But the dealer, beautiful dealer, man, beautiful bikes. And donuts, boom. What should I pick? Now I'm in line. There's a big long line to go ride these things. I was like here before everybody, but I was checking out the bike, so yeah, I don't have to wait in line. So we'll do that.
Turning the bike on like you would normally. Yeah. If your side stand is down, it'll give you a warning. If it's not, then it'll just go ahead and tell you to push the start button. So go ahead, press and hold your engine start. Now that you got green bars and a 0, you're live. So just ease onto the throttle a little bit, just to get a hang for where the throttle position is. Yeah. So everyone's going to see this. If they think you go 200 miles, you're right. Yeah, wait.
Alright, man, you excited to go?
Yes, very excited. Really excited to check out this new bike.
Cool, man. Alright. Look it up. Boom.
It's like a roller coaster that you don't have to do. You don't have to shift.
Oh,
it's like pure throttle response, dude. Whatever you want, it does. It's crazy fast.
You know that.
Yeah, on this road.
You got it. Oh, so you love the bike, huh?
It's beautiful.
Awesome.
See that again? Took me out, sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm scanning my card.
Scanning. It worked.
And there's my face.
There's your face.
All right. I have GoPro turned on. Let's record. There's my bikes. Say hi, everybody. Woo!
What's up, brother?
All right.
about to have us some fun.
We're gonna have some fun. Come on. Follow him?
Yep. Follow him.
Holy moly. Whoa! Holy moly. This bike is fun. Woohoo!
Oh, hey, man. Hey, what's that? Oh, nice. Oh, second ride, bro. Yeah, second ride on there. No. Yeah, so that's it. You can't ride. Oh, there's one more after that.
Hey everybody, so this is going to be my review because the audio sucked with the GoPro. All you hear is wind noise. So, to give you my impression of the bike, it had instantaneous acceleration. The torque right off the bat was great. The balance of the bike was great. The comfort of the bike was great. The fit and finish of the bike was great. All you can really pay attention to when you're driving is your speed. And that is prominently displayed on the dash, the TFT display. It's beautiful, easy to see, and the acceleration was great. As you notice, I did not get to ride and race my lowrider versus this bike. It was not set up to exactly do that. I couldn't wait and just kind of join the group. You had to ride 4 and 5 at a time. The lead riders were great, and they let us try the bike out. The nimbleness of the bike is right up there too. The things that stood out for me most were the instant acceleration and the handling of the bike. The brakes were fantastic. One of the things that the techs were telling us was that when you let off the gas, it has regenerative braking. And it's really cool because you slow down automatically, kind of like an electric car. Not as heavy as when you use brakes, but you definitely slow down. And they just made a last-minute change that turned the brake light on when you let off the throttle. I think that's a smart move, and it shows people that you're slowing down. So what happened on this ride is we were kind of letting the lead riders get ahead of us a tiny bit, not too much, and then just playing catch-up a little bit. And the comfort on this bike was great. Again, compared to my lowrider, it was pretty darn close. It was pretty darn comfortable. The flickability, I was maybe a little bit quicker, a little bit more flickable than my lowrider, but my lowrider set up for it has some straight bars and set up for handling. So that's kind of interesting there. But yeah, it was definitely flickable. My lowrider is a Stage 3 kit. And it gets up there. This one will definitely blow it out of the water, stoplight to stoplight. And top speed or top end, it's pretty close. This one has some really quick acceleration and quick top end as well too. My lowrider does well. One of the things that I was concerned about is that you would not hear the whine or the noise that the Harley makes when you're driving fast. I heard it the entire time, and I thought that was awesome. It really does make a good noise, and it was easy to see that I could live with this bike on a day-to-day basis. It did not feel like it was running out of power. Did not feel like it was getting lower on charge. It was really, really cool. So that's my quick review, and hopefully you guys can get out to your Harley Davidson dealer and have some more demo test rides. Big shout out to Harley Davidson and Harley Davidson Baltimore for letting us ride these. I'll leave you with a little bit of video of us riding the bikes, and let me know any questions you have in the comments. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and enjoy riding your Harley Davidsons.